This is a continuation of my series on electrical power transformers. In this video, I will continue to delve into magnetism. You can find this topic in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses in my Stan store at this web address. Previously, we have learned that moving charged particles will create a magnetic field that forms a closed loop or ring around the moving particles, and the field direction is identified using the right-hand rule. The field direction and strength depends on the type and the amount of charge. We've been looking at positive charges, and if there are more than one charge or even many charges, the field strength will increase and is directly proportional to the amount of charges. Also, if the charges are negative, the field will be in the opposite direction to the motion of the negative charges. And we're going to look at that when we start to talk about current. However, for now, the field will be in the opposite direction if negative charges are moving. And just as in the case of positive charges, the more charges that are flowing, the stronger the field strength. EcoFlow's 2 days blitz sale is over. However, you can still find discounts and price match guarantees as well as other benefits at this web address. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.